Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. While the other video was loading, I thought there's really a quick way to color these in also. So we've got quite a few of them here. We're going to grab all these and I'm going to go to Object and lock them. So now I can't touch them. Now I'm going to take the first three and I'm going to start off with red. I'm going to make the first one red. I'm going to make the next one blue. And see, it has two parts, and that's why I wanted to lock my rings. Then we'll make the next one green. And this way, with them locked, I can grab that and hit the plus key and nudge it over that many times. And when I do that, now I can Control D and fill them all in, all the way across the board, as many as you want. Actually got one too many, but that's beside the point. Well, you'd have to replace that blue, so there was a little fault in it, but you could always take a blue and fill that in, and you're done. Pretty cool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.